Yo.
Hey. Get the bucket, lift it up. Lift this up. I need a little bit of that. I'll go under the... So here, tilt the bucket. Get with this. What? Put it up a little bit. More. Tilt it this way. That? Yeah. Not as much. A little forward. Down. A little more. Up. I'm not sure because my Jeep's like... One thing there under this is tight, but get on this side or on that side. Go up like a tiny little bit. Up, down, really forward. Alright, okay, go up. Up? Yeah, pull the buckle up. See, it's catching on that side. What if you just put the whole bucket under the leaf springs?
You got it. You got it. Yeah.